Hi guys, Tim from Pacvac. Today we're going to show you how to do a harness changeover. This is Pacvac's new Ecoharness. This is the waistband, shoulder straps, frame, handle, cord holder and pad. These are the tools you're going to require: an 8mm spanner and a Phillips screwdriver. First, remove the buckles. Remove the 2 bolts with your spanner and screwdriver. So now we're going to put our frame onto our canister, reusing our bolts. Now we put the accessory pad on. Now we're going to put the Ecoharness on, starting with the bottom. First, you want to loosen up your straps, then push the buckle through the slots on the frame, and then connect the Velcro in the middle. Repeat these steps for the buckles at the middle and the top. We're going to connect the straps here. First, we need to loosen this strap. Push the end of the strap through the slot and fit it into the top of the buckle. The handle connects into these slots here. Make sure to attach the handle facing toward the machine. You can choose from 3 different height settings for your harness for a personalized fit. Simply twist and pull the buckle through the slot, and twist and push the buckle into the desired slot. And there you have it, the height of the Ecoharness adjusted to fit you perfectly. Now I'll show you how to attach the cord holder onto the cord restraint. First, attach the cord holder by sliding it into the grooves until it clicks in. Now we can screw that in. So now we're going to attach our cord restraint to our frame. First, the easiest way is to add your short lead and clip it on. Now to add your cord restraint. Once both ends of the power lead are connected, push them into the fitting on the cord holder. Give it a good push until it clicks in. Take the end of the extension lead and create a loop. Push the loop through the hole and secure over the hook. Pull down to fasten. Now you have successfully upgraded your machine with the Ecoharness. Thank you for watching.